Hi, my name is Lito. Today we are on the PMU Makeup Conference in Los Angeles.
You guys, the real magic is going to happen out there, just like it has for me at every single conference I've invested in. I made a connection, I made friends, I created products for people, I made relationships that I know will last for a lifetime.
So what we're going to do today is essentially we're going to be talking about some case studies and understanding what melanin is and the Fitzpatrick scale. I will also be providing a full technique video from like start to finish, and then from there we're going to have some Q&As. Someone who has a purple lip, their value of their lip is always on the darkest scale. So what are you doing? You have to shift it and bring it up to its lighter value. By using the yellows, we'll then cancel it out as it's right across, and then you can shift it up towards bringing it onto the lighter scale.
You can unintentionally end up overworking the skin. And when it's all said and done, the final healed result can be unsatisfactory. You can heal with little to no color, or it can heal like super patchy.
Very defined, they all perfectly round. It means that even on the beginning, of the you're gonna have the same size and the same amount of pigment.
Oh yes, I love it.
So, I feel so incredibly blessed right now.
All right, and how many of you are looking to generate more revenue with your brow services? Nano is the way to do it. So the first one is, what nano technique is best for your client? Following the hair flow, super important. And then how to get the best long-term retention.
You can see there's not much swelling. So I've added that in there so you can really see. If I was to use a 1, I would have got a little bit more swelling as to without using the 1 using the magnum. And then you can see the results. There isn't too much of an outline, it's just all seamless and it goes right into the inner part, and then it's just even colour everywhere. Because with a continuous line, you will likely put too much pressure and get too much of a sharp line in. So I'm going in, coming back, out of the skin and then going back in again. So I'm slowly etching the line in the skin. And I'm using it sort of on the smaller surface area. And just make sure that you go into the middle of the lip again, because that doesn't hold pigment very well.
That's what we want. That means that our serum is penetrating the skin. Our serum is the only lab formulated using medical grade ingredients, specially developed for ISR technique. So this is what happened after the second session. So as